Alright, here's the latest on the back window. We went ahead and we cleaned up everything. We actually used a little bit of B-12. Hold on a second, let me get that for you. We used a little bit of this B-12 chemical cleaner on some paper towels, and what we used that for was to clean up the rubber and stuff a little bit. It does soften the rubber a little bit, so don't stay on it too long, but it did a good job of cleaning stuff up on it. And then on the bottom side we did the same thing, and we sandpapered and wiped off the actual old seal that was on there with some B-12. Okay, and what we did up in here is we went ahead and we used a little bit of alcohol on it. Just some alcohol and some paper towels, and cleaned all this up really good all the way around. So basically we're gonna drop some RTV on it and then drop the window on it, and probably put a little bit of tape up here on the roof rail right there, and that'll hold the windshield in place. And then we'll just press down on it. We'll probably put some weight on the back window to make sure it stays down. So off to that we go. All right, we got the windshield on, or the back windshield. All right, what we did is we slid it underneath the deck lid with the deck lid open, and we didn't push it down. Then we pushed this side down right here. Made sure this seal was all the way up against the paint, and then the sides, and then we basically slid it up, and we put these two pieces of tape up here. And what these tapes do is they keep the deck lid, because the deck lid pushes on this seal, and because it's pushing on the seal, it's pushing down on the back. And these make sure that the windshield is centered. And the weight of the windshield, we also went around and we pushed on the windshield. And the weight of the windshield too also makes sure that the seal is in contact. And then for you guys that are worried about, well, what about imperfections in the thing? Well, we didn't remove the old seal that was in here. So that old seal is also, it was already formed to the frame around the car. So all we did was just add a little bit of extra clear RTV, windshield RTV. It's actually a Permatex. I didn't close it all up. Anyways, I'll show you the package. I'll put a little picture of an inlay of what we used. And then that was able to go ahead and seal it up good enough. So tomorrow we're going to find out, because tomorrow it's going to rain. And if we have any leaks in the back, we'll know it. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, again. And that pretty much should solve the rear window leak. Then all we have is the main window leak. Or no, we already solved that. That's right. I did another video on the sunroof. We tried and we tried and we tried to get that sealed up. We couldn't. So there'll probably be a video on that. I don't know if I'll put it up or not. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all, and keep on you out.